Did you know that over 4 billion people worldwide are making money online? That's more than half of the world's population. It's a staggering number, isn't it? But it's the reality of our digital age. Take, for instance, Sarah, a freelance graphic designer from New Zealand. Sarah was once stuck in a 9-to-5 job she didn't particularly enjoy. She felt her creativity was stifled and yearned for something more fulfilling. Then she discovered the world of online freelancing. Sarah started by creating a profile on a popular freelancing platform. She began bidding on projects, offering her graphic design services. Initially, it was a struggle. She had to compete with established professionals from around the world. But Sarah persevered. She knew she had the skills and the creativity to succeed. Fast forward to today, Sarah is one of the top-rated graphic designers on the platform. She's earning more than she ever did in her 9-to-5 job. And the best part? She's doing what she loves, on her own terms. Sarah's story is a testament to the potential of making money online. But how can you replicate Sarah's success? Well, it all starts with identifying your skills. Are you good at writing, graphic design, programming, or perhaps social media management? There's a demand for all of these skills and more in the online marketplace. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to market yourself. Create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and experience. Be proactive, bid on projects, and reach out to potential clients. Remember, the more active you are, the higher your chances of landing projects. Don't get discouraged if things don't take off immediately. It takes time to build a reputation and establish a client base. Just like Sarah, you need to persevere. Keep honing your skills and don't be afraid to take on challenging projects. It's also crucial to provide excellent service. Happy clients are likely to hire you again or recommend your services to others. And remember, every project you complete is an opportunity to build your portfolio and enhance your credibility. Don't forget to keep up with the latest trends in your field. The digital world is always evolving, and so should your skills. Take online courses, attend webinars, read relevant blogs and articles. Equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to stay competitive. Remember, online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, persistence, and a continuous learning mindset. But the rewards can be substantial. You can earn a good income while doing what you love at your own pace, without the constraints of a traditional job. So why wait? Start your journey towards making money online today. Harness your skills, market yourself, and take that first step. Just like Sarah, you too can transform your life through the power of the digital world.